So we arrived in Cairns and we have some friends from Colorado. They flew over today from Sydney to Cairns and now we have an amazing party and we're going like hell.
This is the good fight. This is the good fight. Hey, this is the good fight. This is the good fight. The good fight.
Welcome back, guys! You probably can imagine what happens when you pull 15 backpacks together with unlimited alcohol supply.
Okay, this is our best friend Bram. He's never on the video, but now he is. Yeah, buddy!
So we're going to the rainforest for 2 days, Daintree Forest, that's it, with the boys from Colorado. And Colorado! These are the groceries for... bags of feed en 2,5 liter.
Het kan alleen maar leuk worden, toch?
The drive from Cairns to the Daintree Forest is 125 kilometers and will normally take about 2.5 hours. We chose to take it easy and instead it took us 2 days.
So the last 2 days we drove up from Cairns to Cape Tribulation. We're almost at Cape Tribulation. We just drove past Port Douglas and we're now waiting for the ferry to go into the Daintree Forest. We're still with 6 guys, 2 cars. It's been an amazing trip so far and we have a lot of fun.
Before we go find the camp spot, we drive around and enjoy the beautiful nature of this rainforest. The Daintree is a part of the largest continuous area of tropical rainforest on the Australian continent and is the oldest continually surviving tropical rainforest in the world. Its size is around 1,200 square kilometers. Time to find a camp spot now, so first we go to the visitor center where we got very good recommendations from the locals.
It's not far down the road. Otherwise, you've got Cape Trib camping up here, that's pretty cool.
Alright, cheers boys.
Cheers guys. Cheers.
Oi.
Look at this magnificent place. I think the perfect spot to stay the night. It even has this amazing swing. Wow, that has been a long time ago. By the way, Joep is a very good salad chef. It tasted delicious. And he also can be the bartender. Man of all trades, that's what we need.
Is a picture?
The next morning we moved to the next spot, but first a crocodile burger for breakfast. I guess that is just a once in a lifetime thing to eat.
And we're walking through the jungle, Daintree Forest, North Queensland, Australia. It's very cool, and we're now getting a little swim at this nice creek where are no crocodiles. We are in the very north of Australia. That means there's a high chance of crocodiles in this area, and of course we really want to see them. So we're taking a little cruise. This is more or less the same what I did in Kakadu National Park last year, and we're going on the river for 1 hour and hopefully we spot some crocs.
Coral Sea. Because this flows into the Coral Sea, it's all salt water.
Honestly, Daintree is nothing like Kakadu National Park. We had to drive for almost 1 hour before we found a crocodile, and that was the only one we saw on this tour, unfortunately. And with all kind of respect, this tour guy was a bit sleep-inducing.
Anyway, we'll put that fence up there as a bit of a safeguard.
Alright, we have arrived at Cape Tribulation, the most northern destination of our road trip on the east coast of Australia. This is where we turn around and head back to Sydney. But first, we enjoy a couple of more days with our friends here, and then we start our 3,500 kilometer journey back south.